What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey, it's Saturday night, but I wanted to shoot a video, guys, about a funnel that I've been actually testing out. Pretty much here, it's a free funnel where I'm actually offering everything up front for free, where you can definitely check everything out for free. So if you're looking to make money online, you're skeptical, you've been wanting to do it for a long time, you've been burnt, you've been, whatever you may have been through, this is totally different because what I've put together is something that you can utilize and that everyone could utilize on both sides, and you can test it out pretty much for free. Now, I started putting this together roughly around end of August, and I just started kind of running some free traffic to it, nothing major, no paid traffic, just running really some basic YouTube. Haven't even really been marketing it on social media or anything, so just kind of shot some simple little YouTube videos on it just to kind of see what it do, and it's really starting to kind of take off. So I'm about to really put some more paid traffic behind these funnels. But one of the companies, guys, that I've been involved with, I've been involved with this company for a long time, and they literally pay me out every Friday. And as you can see here, I have my computer pulled up because I wanted my screen pulled up because I wanted to show you some real proof that this company does pay me. So I'm gonna keep kind of scrolling, as you can kind of go back here. This goes all the way back to 2017. And then here, we're going to click here. I'm going to show you how long I've been involved with this company. Okay. So then we're going to go back. So we're going to go down here. Just going to keep scrolling. This is 2017. All the way down to 16. Can I get one more? It's pretty much, guys. I've been getting paid for this company for a very long time. And I had actually partnered with another company that really ties hand in hand with this program as well. So everything that both of these programs bring to the table, both of them, any marketer can use, any business owner can use, regardless if you're in a brick and mortar, if you anything offline, online, both of these companies pretty much marketers need. And instead of you looking to join some flavor of the week, something that's hot, everybody's into right now, so then you kind of get buried because you're not the top marketer. So now you got to go out, you kind of fight with everybody else that's out there. With this particular program and system, guys, I completely made it to where everything is something that you can utilize here. So in this part of the video, I wanted to show you here on this screen, as you can see, as I mentioned, I put this together and I start running traffic in. So just some simple little numbers here, and I'm gonna scale these up actually. So this right here is showing another part of the system here. Now this is just something that I put together. This is not anything that's an official system for it or anything like that. As a marketer, you want to stand out. You want to put things together that people are not doing, or you want to have something that makes you stand out from anyone else that is also marketing the business. That is what I like to do. I like to build sales funnels and marketing systems around all of my programs. So only thing I need to do is send traffic to these particular programs. And for you guys who don't know what traffic is, it's eyeballs and leads pretty much of people to my website. Now, I put together a sales funnel for you to test out and for you to check it out as well, where you can see if you like the funnel. Now, if you're involved in the marketing system, then you can just reach out to me and say, Jay, I need the funnel, and I'll get you the codes for it. If you're not involved, then I actually have a video that I have put in place that shows you how to tie your pages together so you can go right out and start marketing this. Now, one thing that I want to give you a heads up about with this here is it's pretty much a business in a box. See, we've created this because also with this particular system, you can also purchase leads in the back office. You can actually purchase leads in the back office. So these people have already answered the ad that they're interested in making money online. So the only thing that you need to really do is reach out to them. Once you reach out to them, we give you training telling you what to say. If you call them, if you leave messages, or even if you send text messages, we pretty much have training showing you how to do this. We also give you training showing you how to market online and offline. And when, as a bonus, when you join me today, I'm also going to give you an actual social media ads training for paid traffic to scale your business right away. Okay, so with this program, I wanted to show you guys that, this is something that I just started running with this funnel. And I tie the funnel together with the video sales letter, kind of breaking everything down where we're doing all the selling and telling for you. So the only thing you need to do is plug into the system here. But I wanted to show you some actual small numbers from this side, because this portion of it I just started running. But with this side of it, guys, I've been involved with this program for a very long time. So with this side, with this particular program, I put it together with something else that's going to complement the next one. So it's free for you to check it out. No credit card required up front. So definitely click the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And if you like it, sign up. You'll have my email. So reach out to me. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.